Create your trust and will estate plan in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Find the plan that's right for you. Our easy online quiz helps you pick the best plan for your unique situation. Step 2. Create your estate plan in minutes. Once you've selected your plan, you'll add your estate inventory, including homes, vehicles, and financial accounts. We'll guide you every step of the way, walking you through each category to ensure that nothing important is missed. You'll choose guardians for your children and pets so you can rest easy knowing your family is always protected. Next, you'll make your wishes clear by designating trusted people to make medical decisions on your behalf and providing access to your healthcare information through HIPAA authorization. Step 3. Now it's time for a final review. If you'd like to look over your estate plan documents with a lawyer or have legal questions, you can purchase attorney support and we'll connect you with a licensed estate planning attorney from our network. Step 4. Get digital and printed versions of your documents. Download them instantly to your computer and print them yourself, or opt to have your custom Trust and Will estate plan package shipped right to your door. Step 5. The final step in making your estate plan legal is signing and notarizing it. Our mobile notary services help you get it done at your convenience. Once everything is signed, there's nothing to send back. Just store your documents somewhere safe and make sure someone you trust knows where to find them.
Trust and Will.